Good morning everyone. See here Mensuration chapter. In the given figure, ABCP is a quadrant of circle radius 4 cm with AC diameter. A semicircle drawn. Find the area of shaded region. See, in the given figure, ABCP is a quadrant of a circle radius 14 cm with AC as a diameter. A semicircle drawn. Find the area of shaded region. See here, the given figure ABCP, ABCPA is a quadrant. Okay, and a semicircular drawn. AC as a diameter. AC as a diameter. And a semicircular drawn with the AC as a diameter. Find the area of shaded region. This region area they are asking. Okay. So now here solution. ABCP is a quadrant. And ACQEA is a semicircle. And ABC is a triangle. See, ABC is a triangle. It is a right angle triangle and B is 90 degrees. And the radius of circle is 14 centimeter. Now come to our point. ABCP is a quadrant. Radius of a circle is 14 centimeter. ACQ is a semicircle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B 90 degrees. Required area means area of semicircle ACQA. Area of semicircle ACQA. Half of circle semicircle means we know the circle area is pi r square. Half pi r square. Next, minus area of quadrant ABCDA. CPA. Okay. ABCPA. Minus ABCPA minus area of triangle ABC. Before that, it is a right angle triangle. We know now from the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse. Right angle opposite is hypotenuse. Means AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. That is this side they have 14. So 14 square plus 14 square. 14 square plus 14 square is equals to AC square. Means 2 into 14 square equals to AC square. AC is under root of 2 into 14 square. That is 140 will come outside 14 root 2 centimeter. 14 root 2 centimeter. That is AC. And in this half means it is diameter, radius is half, means 14 upon 2, 14 root 2 upon 2, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. So now required area, just now we wrote area of semicircle ACQA means half pi r square. That's why we found just now 7 root 2 whole square minus area of quadrants. Area of quadrant. We know now quadrant is 1/4 of a part of circle. 1 upon 4 pi r square. Means 1 upon 4 pi is divided upon 7 r square. Because radius they give now, that is 14 into 14. Minus. Again see area of triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. What the formula of half base into height? Means half BC means 14. Again AC means 14. So here, see here cancellation 2 11 again here see 2 2 jar 2 7 jar 1 7 will get cancelled. Again 2 1 jar 2 7 jar. So now here 11 upon 7 into 7 root 2 whole square. That is 7 into 7. Root 2 whole square is 2. 7 into 7. Okay. Again 7 will be cancelled. But we get next step. Here see 22 into 7. That is 154. Here again 7 14 are 98. Means here see 7 7 will be cancelled. 11 7 are 77. 77 into 2 means 154. 154 minus 154. Minus of minus plus 98. Means minus 154 plus 154 will get cancelled. That is 98 centimeters square. Therefore, the required area of shaded part is 98 centimeters square. So, which formula we applied here? Area of a semicircle, and after that, area of quadrant, and area of triangle ABC.